Hello guys, today we shall see about how to configure a JSP program in web.xml file. First the question is, can we configure a JSP program in web.xml file? The answer is absolutely yes. Yes, we can configure a JSP file in web.xml file. But however, configuring or adding a JSP file in web.xml is optional, or you can call it is not compulsory. So JSP program allows to separate the presentation logic, that is HTML code or HTML, from business logic, that is Java code. So there is no need of compiling a JSP program, and there is no necessity of adding JARS files to class file. So modification done in JSP program will be recognized without reloading the web applications. Now let's focus on how to configure a JSP program in web.xml file. Before that, let me create a deployment directory structures. Deployment directory structure. Directory structures, and I wish to give the name called let me give the name one JSP app. One JSP app. Under this one JSP app, let me add some stuff. Let me create a deployment directory structure. Here, let me add. This is my abc.jsp. abc.jsp. Under this, let me add web-inf folder. Web-inf folder. Under this web-inf folder, let me add my web.xml file. Web.xml file. However, adding the .class file is optional. Okay, in most cases. So it is optional to add, but in this case, I'm considering I'm configuring a web.xml file. So in this case, it is mandatory. Okay, there are two cases, either optional or mandatory. Both you can add, but here I need web.xml file. First, let me create a deployment directory structure, that is one.jsp, one JSP app. So create a folder. So here, let me add here folder. This is folder, or you can call directory. This is a file. This is a file, JSP file. Web.inf. This is the directory, or you can call folder. And this web.xml is a again file. It's an XML file. Okay. First, let me create a. Let me copy and let me give the name called JSP app. So where do I copy? This is my day. Let me create a new folder. File new, and here is folder is JSP app. Under this JSP app, I need to create a web-inf. So let me get one more folder in capital, web-inf. Okay, fine. My deployment directory structure is ready. I need to create a web.xml file, and I need to create a abc.jsp. So Alt F new, let me create a JSP file. So here is my JSP. And under this JSP, I'm not doing anything great. So simply I'm keeping everything in the center. Either you write capital, caps case, or lowercase. HTML is case. HTML is not a case sensitive, or you can call HTML is a case insensitive. No matter. And let me add. Let me give the bold tag. Bold, and so let me add here. Welcome to JSP. Welcome to JSP. JSP, and let me keep some break tags here. I used to bring it at the center. Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, welcome to JSP. Fine. And under this, let me show the today's date and time. Today's today's date and time is okay. Fine. And meanwhile, let me add here break tag. Here also let me add the break tag. Break tags to separate the lines, and here I'm adding the scriptlet tag. Where is my scriptlet tag? So scriptlet tag starts with the left angle bracket modulo, and then you can write the Java code within the scriptlet tag. So I'm trying to show the date and time. So java.date, d assignment operator new java.util.date of. Okay, fine. So this is my scriptlet tag, and here I am showing. Let me add one more scriptlet tag, and here out.println to show the output to my, or to send output to my browser window. Println, and here under this println, I am showing only d.toString. d.toString. Okay, fine. So this is my code with respect to only JSP. I'm not doing anything great. Simply I'm creating a java.util.date class object. I'm not importing to also, and out.println or d.toString. Just save this file to my save. Where should I save? One.jsp or one JSP under this abc.jsp. Okay, fine. abc.jsp, you can see here. One JSP app slash abc.jsp, you can see here. Under this JSP app, I'm creating only abc.jsp. Now it's time to create web.xml file under web.inf. Okay, so alt F, new. I'm going to others, moving to XML, and under this I'm trying to create a web app, web-app. Control C, Control V. I don't need anything extra. And under this, I need a servlet. I need a tags which belongs to servlet. Servlet. Control C, Home. Control V. Let me close the servlet. Okay, and here I need to add servlet name. Servlet hyphen name. Control C. Let me close the servlet. So to close the solid, I'm giving the A, nothing. Let me add here solid class, solid class, solid class. And actually, to work with the solid, I need to add here solid class. But in the case of JSP, solid class doesn't work. So for that purpose, I need to add here JSP file, JSP hyphen file. Similarly, I need to add here what? JSP hyphen file. Okay, and here you need to give the JSP file name. This we have created earlier. Okay, abc.jsp. Here abc.jsp. Okay, so solid name JSP file slash abc.jsp end of a JSP file. Now map the solid. So solid hyphen mapping. Solid hyphen mapping. Control C, Control V. Just close the solid hyphen mapping, and here you need to configure a again solid name, that is A. Okay, and next you need to add a URL pattern, URL hyphen pattern. Okay, just add this URL pattern, end of URL pattern, and give the name called test, and save this file, save, and save under the web.inf. So give the name called web.xml. XML extension will be added automatically. Hit the save. Okay, Control B to test. Yes, it's correct. Control B. Once you press Control B, it will open in the browser. If you find any error will display automatically. Otherwise, if you see the original code as XML, there is no error then. Fine, guys. So let me deploy this application into my server. Before going to deploy this application to my server, let me start my server. Go to C drive, search for Apache Software Foundation, wherever you install Tomcat, bin, and here's my Tomcat. Tomcat run as administrator. Tomcat run as admin. Yes. Okay, fine. Is there any error? There are no errors. Fine, 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 fine. Okay, good. Now let me go to my browser window. I need a browser. So let me open localhost 2024 manager app, admin, user password was not now. Leave it. This is my, I think I have not deployed So let me deploy this application. Where is my application? One JSP app. Just confirm whether it is one JSP app or a JSP app. In my deployment structure, yes, one JSP app, right? So what I do, I'll copy simply one JSP app folder. Just copy this directory, whole directory. I don't find how to copy. So just simply copy. I copied. Okay. And let me paste into my web apps folder also Tomcat. So go to the Tomcat web apps folder. I am pasting here. So where is my paste? Damn man. This is the paste. So pasted now. You can see the same code under this the TD top Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 10.1 web apps. So JSP. This is the abc.jsp web.inf web.xml file. Okay. So let me change the properties, show more options. Properties, I'll change the properties to change default app to edit plus or notepad. Apply. Okay. So I'm opening same. Okay, guys, fine. So I already I deployed, and you can see here. You might observe now. You can see here the Apache Software Foundation Tomcat web apps. One JSP app has finished. What it is finished? Deployment of application with one JSP app has finished in 984 milliseconds. So go to this browser, refresh your browser. You can see here one JSP app. Close one JSP app. I'm going to one JSP app, and first let me load by using abc.jsp. Directly don't try by using tester. It will not run. Why it will not run? Control plus 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 plus. Okay. Otherwise, I will change to my. Okay. I will refresh again. Control F5. This will go off. Okay. Seconds are changing. I'm refreshing from 32, 33, 34, 37, 30. These are the form milliseconds. So in this way you can change. And this I did by using directly page. Now I wish to call by using URL. What is the URL here? I added here test. Only we know we can call directly JSP page. Now I wish to try by using test. But first try by using uh, uh, a file name, that is abc.jsp, because if you call directly tester, it will not run because your JSP file is not compiled. Now let me try here test. It will comes as it is test. Can you see here? Same, but by using test, one is by using abc. But first of all, try by using abc.jsp, and then let's try by using test. What I did, Control V, and second try by using test. So here is my test. So in this way, you can able to configure your JSP file in web.xml. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, fine. Thank you.